What's the meaning of Alabama? Alabama. 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 Alabama.
Alabama is a state in the southeastern United States. Its name comes from the Alabama River, which in turn was named after the Alabama people, a Native American tribe that once lived in the region. The state is known for its beautiful landscapes, including beaches, forests, and mountains. It is also famous for its rich history, particularly its role in the civil rights movement of the 1960s. Today, Alabama is home to over 5 million people and boasts a diverse economy that includes agriculture, manufacturing, and aerospace industries.